Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if the Google Play Store is not working on your Samsung or Android phone. So just go to the top right and go to settings. And there's two things we want to try. Simply just go to apps and locate it. And then scroll on down under here. And go to the Google Play Store. Now go to the top right, and we should be able to just uninstall it. So you can see the app info and stuff right here. So we can go back. Let's go back into here, Google Play Store. We can force stop it. Then we can go on down, and we can go to where it says storage. So let's go to storage right here. We can clear the cache, clear the data too. Then also there should be an option in the top right to uninstall the updates. So you can see right here, just go to uninstall updates on Google Play Store. Then also app services, you can try that too. So there's no option on the Google Play Store for me because I literally just did it. But there should be three little dots right here, just click this. And you can uninstall the updates. And then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.